Hi guys! In this video, I will tell you how to cook ramen and I will tell you some information about the interesting fact of ramen. Soon, we will go to the kitchen to cook ramen. Let's go to the kitchen! Hey guys! So here I am. This is my kitchen. So before we cook our ramen, I will show you the ingredients first. Okay, now put the noodles and the dried vegetables into boiling water. And we cook it for 3 minutes. Now we want to pour the season into the bowl and I want to add chili. Okay, for the next step, pour the noodle into the bowl. And let's mix it well. And now we have the topping. First we will put the onion leaf and then fried onion, and the last is boiled egg. And now the ramen is already served. Okay guys, after we cook ramen, in here I want to tell you some interesting facts about ramen. First, ramen is imported into Japan between 17th and 20th centuries. Second, the word ramen is mean ramyeon, which is one of type noodle from China. The third, ramen the third, miso ramen, born in Sapporo, 1950. And the last, eating ramen to sound is not the rude attitude, but is to give a delicious appreciation to chef who cook it. Okay guys, we have already done cook ramen and know about some fact of ramen. So let's end this video. I'm sorry if I had any mistakes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.